Are you feeling hopeless? Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling anxious and frustrated because of circumstances of life? May mga bagay talaga na hindi natin sukat akalain na dumarating sa ating buhay. Mga panahon na magbabago sa daloy ng ating mapayapang pamumuhay. Mga pagsubok na gustuhin na lamang nating bumitaw kaysa sa lumaban. Dahil ang feeling natin, tayo ay mag-isa lang at walang kadamay. At yung feeling mo, yung bukas mo ay hindi na magkakaroon. Friends, your life doesn't end there. Ang Panginoon ay may nakalaang makulay na sorpresa at malaking pag-asa para sa iyo. Ang mga bagay na ito na ating nararanasan ay siyang magbibigay liwanag sa iyong makulay na kinabukasan. Look at these little creatures. See how beautiful and wonderful they are. It is a wonderful manifestation that there is a God who created them. There is a great designer, a great artist who made them. It is an assurance that there is a God who provides all their needs. Friends, you don't have to worry about everything. As what the Bible says, that do not worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank Him for all He has done. Then you will experience God's peace, which is exceedingly beyond we can understand. Friends, look at the birds in the sky, the lilies at the boughs. They do not sow nor reap, yet their heavenly fathers provide for them. My God will supply all your needs according to the riches of His glory in Jesus Christ. Friends, you only need to believe, you only need to trust Him, that He is the God of gods, the Kings of kings, and the Lords of lords. If you will only make Him the first, the last, and the best in your life, then you will surely experience a complete peace in your life. Thank you so much, friends, for watching, and for more reflection and inspirational videos, and you want to support this channel, just like, subscribe, and share it to your friends, and it's really a great help for this ministry. So once again, live full lives, full in the fullness of God. Thank you, and God bless.